In this video, I will show you how to transfer playlists from Spotify to Esound. So in order to do that, head over right here to tunemymusic.com, click on this Let's Start option, and then choose Spotify as your source. Now let's load from a Spotify account and let's choose right here the playlist that we want. So you can also choose all if you want to as well. Now click on this choose destination, and then from in this just look for the option called eSound. However, if eSound is not on this list, what you can do as well is to click on this export to file option, and then you can export this as TXT or CSV and import it from eSound from there. Alternatively, you can also click on the share option. It will create your share link. Now click on this save and share. Now click on this copy option. And then once you have done that, you should be able to just open it on eSound using the link and it will be transferred there.